In this video, I'm giving you my top 10 tips on how to get rid of stuff when you downsize and move. Now's a good time to return things you've borrowed. These dishes were on loan to me from a friend, but I don't need this many anymore, so I'm returning them to her. My best friend's daughter is really into fashion and will appreciate these books that I've read, reread, and won't reread. I asked my ex-husband Martin if he'd like a few things of his that ended up at mine and our son's place when we divorced ages ago, and he did, so he's getting them back. If he'd said no, I would have donated them. Either way, I got them out of my house. This is an obvious one. One person's trash is another person's treasure, as they say, and with a donation to a charity, it's a win-win-win. You get rid of what you no longer need, someone else gets to enjoy it, and the charity can do their charitable thing with the money they make. What can't be donated, gifted, or sold is getting recycled. I had a ton of materials from DIYing at the house. Cans with semi-dried up paint, half bottles of solvents, expired tubes of caulk, etc. The new owners are getting what can still be used at the house, like touch-up paint, extra tile, etc. But the rest I took to the hazardous materials recycling shed at the local gas station. I tend not to sell a whole lot because it takes longer to get it out of the house that way, but I did sell a few things on behalf of my son, like this pile of Technic Legos. I'm happy to not be the custodian of these any longer, and really made some money. Win-win again. Our neighborhood has a Facebook group where we post stuff we no longer want or need, usually for free. A quick post and the stuff is gone in no time. Ask the new owners of your house if they want any of the things that you decided not to bring to your new place. I was lucky. The new owners of my house wanted every single thing on the list with photos that I sent them. I offered it for free, and since they're upsizing from an apartment, they will have a bit of stuff to start up with. For me, it saved me tons of time. Aside from asking people I know if they want things, I've also used apps to get rid of stuff. After Villa donated all the DVDs to our nearest charity, I was left with the empty shelves. I posted them on a local app called TipTap, and within an hour they were gone. As soon as I knew I was moving, I got into purging mode, and that very first weekend I emptied the attic and the garage. Those places held DIY materials like scraps of wood, some gardening equipment that had seen better days, some pieces of furniture, etc. I used the TipTap app I mentioned before to get someone to come and collect it all and take it to the recycling center. I name my own price for the service, but since I don't drive or have a car, having someone come and pick all this crap up in one fell swoop within an hour, priceless. What are your best tips for getting rid of stuff? Let me know in a comment. If you like this video, I'd love a thumbs up as it helps my little channel. There will be more about downsizing, my move, and organizing my new place in the city. So if you're interested, subscribe and hit the bell to get notified when a new video is up. I'll see you in the next one.